Okay, this is a test for sound. I will be making several adjustments to the sound over the course of this test. And then I'm going to upload it because I want to hear how it sounds on YouTube. I can hear the sounds well when I play it on Windows Media Player. So, this is a test. There is no sound from the game at the present time. Alright. Ambient noise, I hear wind. Footsteps now. And flags. Okay. So we're going to test to see if we can hear that. Alright. Water. Obviously evident. Alright, I'm going to go to the escape menu and go to sounds. I have 50% to vehicle, 70% in environment. Okay, so let's get the vehicle first. And alright, that's pretty loud. That was the click for disconnecting a vehicle. Alright. Now we're going to mess with the sound.
Some of them tripped, some of them fell. As we mentioned, many of the passengers on the tarmac have suffered from heat exhaustion. Many of them were fainting as well. We saw ambulances on the scene where passengers were...
Alright. All sounds are quite a bit louder. Okay. Oops. There's the click. Alright, now let's alright, let's get out of this. Go back over to the water. Okay. Now this is the water sound with 80%. And the flags waving. They don't sound much. I can hear the chickens in the background. Alright, pretty loud to me. Let's there's the sheep. Chewing sounds. Alright. I think we're good for the test. And we'll check it out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.